No.
Yeah, cool.
I wanna go back to the days where for you I was thirsty. Okay now, Lord, I apologize. Again, I crucified you. I try to fight it, but it's clear I need you to survive. So many times I tried with my own form. You beg to catch me. So if they ask me, I'll say that your grace is all I need. Oh Lord, you see the best in me. It's why I call you Yahweh.
Amen. Praise the Lord. The young say another so. You share much, what you cancer, Mupanche, my brother, big man, or the top fantasy.
And that there, Ote and Cat, and Nigeria, a young possum, any a day, bro. Yes, you'll be Bria said. Mosaka message, ya like it, share my, not subscribe it. Send a bear, breed beer, the message for bar on Sabbath aka. Ye do be beer, ye mobi beer, aquaba to Christ Message TV, and Yanko Pong, and Yesu Christo, and Honsam. Any other bremo and Nana G. The Dobby Bias, so I said, and that at the air shay. Tino, Grace, for that was
Yamia Swingy, and I Edema Obibia. Iguswa Ede Asubo and some Eba, Tino, Iguswa ye, Hong Kong Asubono, and Nadia, me one pa said. And send me over boy, send my brother the kind of boy, none send me any other uncle, and not in here that day. Yama cries a Hindiano, yan trim yamam in cover biana, ubi and tivina, I've been such that because the planet be a shah, a month will be a delancy. That means, Takra is your one, as I say, Yada boa. So, na nipa at Tina Miasem. Inti ye din komo afa asubo no ho ye be kansem ene ye be besi wo Peter first Peter o kansem bebre inti ye be suade wo na sa na ye kan ye chirim asubo no na ye dia foto su ye be ena mubi ye kan bible no ye tufo no uhu ote nsem bi inti ma yeso say boy na Christ Message TV enko achiri ana ye kan no kwana eto ho a ti sene ye kana anti ye de asem no e braw ena nwumre asem a emu duru na emu so de ebema wontiasem ayede wanya ntiase wo nyame asem eno na ye de braw oye ready
sa prophet
sa nti ye go
sa
nti ye
befa asem na fi first Peter chapter 1
verse
1
okay nti ye hwo ye ka asubo ho asem na ye de afutuo eyede eto ho because nsem ye kan abeda ho ma yenchi mana omoso omoye de eba next generation no omba ba tu esemi asua bi nti na ye say ye boy ho mbodin say ye de na okore be ye de ebeto ho na obi tie bi ana say obi tie message ne bi a wanye de amfara nko otamfo no na hiniem obi tie message yi a say message be boa no na atima hwehwe nyankopon ahinie nti yenhwe Peter asema Peter kan asubo no ho nkunkun asubo no ena ye de ntoaso na ye de ebrawo enedai nti osebe
first Peter verse 1 I said from Peter apostle of Jesus Christ.
So apostle of Jesus Christ nti tama Yesu Kristo oyi Paul said nasuafo no o say no mo ye apostle omo ye apostle sa ka asempa no wie ya abra omo asesa ene obi apostle bo mo kira no o bishop adachi bi bo hu no o say o ye reverend adachi bi ma which is omo kwa nso Peter no omo anko bi omo gina apostle wa so za ntina ama Kristo su no aye sansa bi a wonti nema bibirase so
to God's chosen people who live as refugees scattered throughout the provinces of Pontus, Galatia, Cappadocia, Asia
1 verse 1 3
verse 1 or say me fan be one say from Peter apostle of Jesus Christ to God's chosen people who live as refugees scattered throughout the provinces of Pontus, Galatia, Cappadocia, Asia, and Bithynia. Okay, First Peter verse 1. I say from Peter, apostle of Jesus Christ, to God's chosen people.
Nti Christianity no eyeku anyankopon ayi de ben esiwo enna eyese unhu emumra unhu de wa esitie anyesa obekwa kodoni ku bi a ebeye wrong ayre amao enna ochirem Peter ochirem no
I say to God's chosen people who live as refugees scattered throughout the provinces of Pontus, Galatia, Cappadocia, Asia, and Bithynia. Verse 2. I say, you were chosen according to the purpose of God.
Nyankopon eyiye ewo ono ni opese ode ye. So ni onu Nyankopon o nti se wo ba no ba mfa Nyankopon de ono pa that means say onua asem ye de ewo ho enitima yabam because obi kiro nkirekire no Bible no na wan kiro Nyankopon ni Nyankopon oye de opa nti se that means say problem ewo ho eye agya no nepo anye nipa bi pe anye sofu bi pe na anye evangelist bi pe ni Nyankopon oye de ope ni wa hyehyɛ to ho nti Kristoso no se unya ntobase ohun se unya ntobase ansa ne wa ko wura ba bi na daachi amfa wanko ntohwem
I say verse 2 I say you were chosen according to the purpose of God the Father and were made a holy people by his Spirit.
So were made a holy people nti aye krofukro bi Nyankopon ayo mosiwo se omo ebeye trene na trene no ansa na obetima ye trene no age se ne honhom no na ebetima ye be aboa entima ese unyia asubo nti ye bawasu ewo hunkunkuni dimu de spirit nsa ne hunkunkun na abetina mu so entima ye ka se wabonsu wasuma ese wo ye de ohwehwe hunkunkun de ben na subo no because oye honhoma obetina mu na watima ye de ben kronkron nti bisa wo se obo asubi ya obetina asolunu sa oman no kuo na Nyankopon aye de afre no utim no wo ye kronkron ewom uye kronkron ewom asem no nuro uye kronkron uye sure se ne honhom na oka no ho asem na emma uye kronkron no sa honhom no ebi wo so ponya bi ndi odome ka se Peter omudi Kristo achi na nam se no munya nya kronkron ntini no omuntimi nyere entene na omunya kronkron te se kronkron be yede ebebo muasu nti ose ofreye ohun purpose no ofreye se yembeye oman a etene enyere enya ahweso emma omo ayede aka no na wo se Kristo afro ba so utim no untimi enye kronkron that means asam yede ewo ho question mark yede eda ho see harvest the two verse
2 I say you were chosen according to the purpose of God the Father and were made a holy people by his Spirit.
Holy people by his Spirit. Oh, nti wait my holy ya. I just said the one who ye the eka hu bi. Nti ensuom ye bo asu onsuruma se honhon na ammo asu a me se onua wunya ayemamu ho. Enti ada bia yesisu yie no. Oh, ye bo ye kire wasu bo no na ye de ye tufu eye de eka hu. Nti bua ye onua ye so boy ene message nye de entimi enko akiri because nipa bibire enya ensuma subo but honkonko subo no ye de omunya bi but omutim chobo na omudi akiri bi o ka se no no because unya awofofura Bible no ne ye be din komo eguso aye din komo ye Peter krado ye ni first ayi krado wi a ye be wura Peter ube hu nsabi wo yanko
I say and were made a holy people by his spirit to obey Jesus Christ.
So what? To obey Jesus Christ. To obey or Jesus Christ. Oh, as I don't know, hinting say with him, and I Christus ever can say Matthew and I say Odomia, Dimasadia so, and I also I said, dear Untimino. Until we are sure say, when you're home concondi a subo, because Hong yellow, a Hong Kong ever able do or better or fat Christus, not the other. I chill. Say, you say, until you are. Ne we are no omutim ka say ye be kan verse bia wo beti ase ye wo trene ye wo good and ye bad ade bia ne ye wo good wo ho na de be ye wo bad but obi wo wiase a obetima ye de etene but hunkunkuru na enyere entene but physical life we say no bia be hu say ne oye eye etene but so wo de hunkunkuru enkere trere etu ho a obehu se sa wa yere watia so wo nti ye wo trene nti obi tim ka se o me nkwa so de but me ye de etene eye true wo ye de etene but se ye ba ye de hunkunkuru ebe to ho a obehu se sa wo yere ontene nti eno bi nti obi wo tikriso so mo onya hunkunkuru but onam kwan bi so be ka se otene but so wo fa ba bu no ne hunkunkuru echeke na entima last minute no Kristo be ebe san nipa bebre no ono na kwan onim se na kwan de etene onim se ono na kwan etene but o de honkoko ebe tuwo se pe obo se akwa no onye de ontere I
said to obey Jesus Christ and be purified by his blood.
To be purified. Purify. You can purify.
Purified. Say Oma or what?
Ati. Obey Obey fresh. And I was also to any fresh. Because so mobile fresh in the more. Fresh in him. Say, yet asubo mwasem na subo mwasem and I added in Abba. Only I saw say boy, na your message intimate quantity about boa unyebi. Ebe bua unue bi so o say oye wa ye te say o mai kuo bi ana ekuo bi a ye fredi say kronkron mu na kronkron mu no enam ne hunhum mu ena ebetima ye de aye kronkron so nti obedient nti ye wo mu ye obedient e wo ho nti ye hwe asem bi e wo Corinthians 15:45. Corinthians 15:45. And I say, Obe has it be from 44.
Corinthians 15:45.
44. Okay, 44. Enti ye show asubo no ye de futuo no eba ne ya kire asubo na nkasa kasa 44 no se de
I say
First Corinthians 15:44
verse 44.
Echo tie onua tie ni ye me say nyamre because ye baso ache kakra ye so momfa nche e ma bunfu because nse ni modu e say ye prepare asana ya ba ye hwehwe nokra na ye de braw because ye mpese ye be control na ubetie no na odo ho beto so a da achi bi no ebe how nti ye nyina chi susu ne ye so se oso aya kan bi ye de da bi ye ba se wo ye twa ntora oso no obehu ana ye wonsem bi wo ho a wan kasansa wotra hu esue ne ya e bi kura obehu de ben more because nne no omakeka nsem bi a it say ena nan odin days screw kura o se de ben school driver screw kura o se school driver nti se ba nhwehwem anya oso na ma ba ka se crutch ni a oka obi a wako secondary school no oka
exhaust pipe or say exhaust pipe
so uza nti ye so nti revelation ekai nti ye Corinthians ave ye Corinthians 1 Corinthians 14 and 15
44 verse 15
yenti asem you
I say when buried it is a physical body
when buried no it is physical what body nipa dua ye say na oyere yesiu nipadua no physical body ena yesio Corinthians Paul obeka ensem oha ena otiwa wo de kompa obehu se sa baby a wonam no wonam yi when raised
it will be a spiritual body.
It will be what? A spiritual body. And then you didn't come over. Or say,
verse 44. When buried, it is a physical body.
It is a physical body.
When raised,
it
will be a spiritual
body. And first, no, na ya hunamu. But say ya wuni ya so de dia ebe ya ben spiritual de ben body obe ya hunam foforo na obe chirim
I said there is of course a physical body, so there has to be a spiritual body. Verse 45 for the scripture says
the first man
Adam was created a living being.
Was created a what? A living being.
But the last Adam is the life-giving spirit.
Is what? The life-giving spirit. Nti sa spirit no na ye di hu komo no. Second spirit no, first Adam no ye hunamu ohun. Na ye say ye ditum say ye pese ye free sa first hunamu no ekọ huhumu. But say ye wura sum na I say you spiritual body there. That means say sir first and I'm one and you two I say you film and conconsa awudisem adwemboni adwemfi sa ne no I say you film it is a me hu e wo sa ade no that means say me da so ye de e wo first body no me nya nko spiritual body no that means say me nya hu ye that means say ndaso egitum eje sa abrabo old abrabon me yere me gitum Bible no ekasa o awurade ekasa anye bi na ekasa no Bible no nyankopon na ere edini etuf yanko o se de
verse 46 o say it is not the spiritual that comes first.
It is not the spiritual that comes first
but the physical and then the spiritual.
Until first one there obi anantimu bi ya nantim bi but say ne was second Adam
verse 47
verse 47
the first Adam made of earth.
Made of what? Earth. Netie na yere enwino no enti boni eyede ewom. First Adam
made of earth came from the earth. Yes. The second Adam came from heaven. Verse 48. Verse 48. Those who belong to the earth are like the one who was made of earth.
Omu ewo first Adam mu no omu niema nyina ye
belong to the earth.
Akono boni nko a niema ense emfata
asasi hu ade
die atro enkonkonsa emape onu ana omu ye because uhwe saabra bona omu boy no ma the same thing amanfo ye na omu ware miensa na ebi ware num ebi ware nsia. I say, but
I say verse 48. I say those who belong to the earth are like the one who was made of earth.
Ntisa nyema ina wo mo that means say udi adamachi. But o person oya about the full I just offer spiritual life. Nti obi spiritual life but ontimi nyere en control. Ontimi control no ho. Nti na ko Kristo sumu a ma family planning kwano omo ntiase family planning omo ka say yen fa ndo nchi say ho yen she condom family planning entisa untimi en control hu a nje say a problem why spiritual body the second Adam no oye niema ntino utimi e control physical things no e say utim ediso kronobo e say utim e konka because we ye ye wo ma ne ho de ne kyene sa ne ma yinyina ana wo say we second Adam but untimi en control
Into that church still now or first.
Or first, you know, because Onyanya Hong Kong event a super. So I said no, didn't probably bring grandma and throw before no problem and throw into yes by okay. Or say, and I'm say, or you're not calling to me. We are seeing to my and general because we are seeing the empire no correct. Oh, into young Nana Emma who say, and throw and I had ye di and Satra say, yes, Satra. Unia, wow, who you? Judgment did. Wow, I bet you. Once I try ya. Just of matter of say, Obesatra, and one
I say, those who are of heaven.
Those who are of heaven, that is the spiritual body, no, and a spiritual mind,
are like the one who came from heaven.
So are like the one who came from
heaven.
Christo, and a free a slow year about into a bo abraba, na a fimbian, a new. And I will say, Wabi Dinechi, why did but also that's what the first one until a young who said, would you Adamachi?
Verse 49.
Verse 49.
I said, just as we were the likeness of the man made of earth, I said, verse 49. I said, just as we were the likeness of the man made of earth, so we will wear the likeness of the man from heaven.
So, enti omomudi first Adam men nechinum omunyina suba no koye the same thing. Enti say yes say ye free. Second Adam mu a ofiri osoro no ba that means say or say abraba obeboy no or say yes ye we have to wear the same thing. So or say yes ye di nana mo de ben achi ni obeye no or say yes ye de ebedi achire ododipa ontwatro engongonsa ompe so hu sa but eneno ade bia da adi pefem ye hu se yes ya ye newborn but sa subani e da so ye de ewom nti onu ahwehwe hu konkonu de ben asubo because obo wasu a oso kitane ne niema ode yes ha ne me nantino obo wasu a obo oyi ni nyina ye de efiri mu a untimi ye de enkombiem
whining
showbiz ha okay fa tere nti yirohu yesra o yirohu e masofu bi mfa nku wura nsum ne ntrawo nkase eno anu no odo wa wura nsum eno anu first Adam no ni sunu ne body no ye do wuram upia e so be ye second Adam ose niye otese first Adam no onante ana oye die first Adam ye de oye but say ye di second Adam achia ofiri heaven ye de e ba ya die o say yeso ye de e dan tete say ni o ye de e free suru no ba ye so mti e kana first verse in Peter no o say hongonkura e ba me ya ye kronkron a e yes ye de ye di Christo we have to be obedient to Jesus word Christ.
Verse 50.
Verse 50.
What I mean, brothers and sisters.
Okay, Sisu game 48 and
48. Verse 48. I say, those who belong to the earth are like the one who was made of earth. Those who are of heaven are like the one who came from heaven. Verse 49. Just as we wear the likeness of the man made of earth, so we will wear the likeness of the man from heaven.
Simple. And to say, yeah, a body for fraud, dear. That means a body for no, only a second given Adam. I say, ye wear the likeness. I say, ye the likeness. Ntino, as one and number two say, Peter or me Christ given like because they wear his what likeness. They wear his what likeness. Emra omunya honkura asubono omudadi ekire se epuruwo mum ekire se ampa omudi ni ofire soro no yede obaye omuyede omudi nachi ena wo so wawura nsuom apie ena wodi first Adam nachi still onia hwehwe honkura subo hwehwe honkura subo a First Peter no
First Peter. I said from Peter, apostle of Jesus Christ.
Apostle of Jesus Christ.
To God's chosen people who live as refugees scattered throughout the provinces of Pontus, Galatia, Cappadocia, Asia, and Bithynia. Verse 2. I said you were chosen according to the purpose of God the Father and were made a holy people by His Spirit.
Yes.
To obey Jesus Christ and be purified by His blood. May grace and peace be yours in full measure.
So, and this is ultimate effort. Adama etosumiru na brabo a asunye de ben asunye
grace and peace.
Go adom na asunye anya odia
full measure.
Full measure. Ohun nti hwehwe honkokron asubo because purpose wa yedete sa kuo no purpose yedete na say yebetene yenhwe nsem bi wo Romans yenhwe nsem bi wo Romans kan nsem bi wo yenhwe nti na yedi nkomo na yenhwe Corinthians wona o kan nsem bi wo na yemfa ntoaso na fe yemfa dafoforo no na yede ntoaso yede abrao ye two full mad ye so say boye na send ye message eko nti ye be sna hwe Corinthians wona 1 Corinthians 15 40 hokono o kan nsem bi wo na afi ye nhwe
I say and there are heavenly bodies and earthly bodies.
So there are heavenly bodies and what earthly bodies. Nti sana ye wo first Adam ye wo the second Adam.
The beauty that belongs to heavenly bodies is different from the beauty that belongs to earthly bodies.
I say nema efa efri osoro no yeden efe echen nema efri
yes so I say and there are heavenly bodies and earthly bodies. The beauty that belongs to heavenly bodies is different from the beauty that belongs to earthly bodies.
It's different.
And so we hear them.
Nti say uwo wiasim anase Kristo anase Nyankopon no onyamfa wo se oye ne ba no ne abrabo a uwo nu se ujitum na ofa wo se ne ba no oba ne nase a se abrabo na wo no difference here de ebam enti se obetna asoro na wo se wa basu na still ye hu difference wo mdi a you can make difference there. That means say deben question mark se ubisa hu or say everybody no beautiful than every given things and also over new so still na what also ye ekura sa suban num that means say what also wo abrabo a first Adam ye de obebo ye unyanko hunhum ede so nti ye ana ema ye hu se sa Kristo sunu ya bosu bat enye de ye nya ho nkronkron de ben asubo so ye nya honkunkura subo ntima yeso se asubo no ntima ye hase ekom no ye firi a ada se ye beba humidadie so anase titan eso nti hwehwe no kore na je okra eno na ye de ehia ye se wo ye honhum nipa ye honhum nipa se wo ye hunam nipa ma ye hu enya wo hu enbe wia wo hu ye de ensa hase wo ye da ye be yiwa ba Kristo eji bi firi ayfro ensi ay na se akobi me se akobi betrema no ntare na o se no na different from homo omoye do mo ho enti yeyi ni ye de epie nko odoji but antiba no je nkonkro nti yesra ye tufo se wabo asu ewo nsu na woda so etibonim dia on de honkonkro subo no pe kwa fa so a obenya honkonkro subo na omwa na onfa ni machine for this wine show no on fa mua on separate shaft no enye de emfiri adeba papa no na ohunto ye de amuto na ye de yanko o kan se mi wo
verse 41
verse 41 o say
the sun has its own beauty.
O say the what
the sun has its own beauty.
Enti awia bo a ye hu se awia na ye de abo ana de even
I said the moon another beauty.
Nti moon so ni beauty a odeba no emaye hu enti se wo first Adam a me hu se wo first Adam wo second Adam a me ye hu but abraba na obo no emaye kire ba bia wo ye de wo abraba na obo no ti asonde ma obo no emaye hu se ufi awia asia na se ufi de ben
and even among stars
there
are different kinds of
beauty. There are different kinds of what beauty. Yanko, to assume Yanko.
Verse 42.
Verse 42.
This is how it will be when the dead are raised to life.
Sir, this is how it will be. This is until say what's some wabine when ya opese unya amfofra and say yehu I say yehu.
When the body is buried, it is mortal.
Say when the body is what buried, it's mortal.
When it's raised,
it
will be immortal.
It will be immortal. And this is immortal. Mention mortal because I just was made. She immortal for life. Just a umu. This is no yes slow or any year whom edeben aside. Men question hunam. I say, would you aconachia? Unia was made you. Ne a Christopher, ye di akonachi, we are simple tempo edi akonachi.
Verse 43. Was it when buried?
Mutio, yes,
when buried. When buried, it is ugly and weak.
We say last we never can say Woody a bro, Esawa, a tantan, a pia, a yef, Woody a brusewa. A better than like I say, far proud, because of umpe, but a pia was never or say when buried.
I say when buried, it is ugly and weak.
Ugly and what? Weak.
When raised,
it
will be beautiful and strong.
It will what? Beautiful and what? Strong. Yet when we swim, appear still you are still ugly and what weak. Oh, as I'm not. Unia because unya honkoko deben asubo sisubiem service ye edo
verse 42
verse
43 sorry. Tie. I said when buried it is ugly and weak.
I said
when buried it is ugly and weak.
So enti emra ye wo wiase no niema ye nyina na airtime nen sonya mieni abraba ni ye wuwom anamo ye tu ye kasa na nsonya miani no obi tipiso sumu o kasa ma kotu a wi abra wa wi a oba bi no adwunu ho adwunu wa wo ye mfiri da nti obi tu a o se ye ma ye firi na Kristo ni uka asenye wo ye nkopa ba ye na ne ye firi nti ba ye bisa wo obi timi ka asem kire wo se nya fi anya ma no wo ye ntimi firi da Kristo ni o ya wase wasesa wanya adwensa kira but sisi de kura ne kasa mu kura no first ne kura eye
sisi aka na e west
onia honkonkro so bo era ye kire wo ye bo so so ma upia ohun e se unya spiritual life e se unya awofoforo ohun e se ufifiri ba no kan se de ben sisi ko se
I said verse 43. When buried, it is ugly and weak.
It is what? Ugly and what? Weak.
When raised, it will be beautiful and strong.
Insan kanyame say we see Christ driven
message
TV. Eho and I edit the ben.
Yede ne kre. Bro. Ya show bi bia saka message we are. Like video ni my share na subscribe send a be a bribia ya the message for back on sabetimi aka
enti onua ne ye ka kire say ne ye be ka twatwo no say ne ye the next file for be yes nyabotade enti say what bossu na still na una so ye ugly and weak here that means say so oye de obo homod na wo hwehwe won kokuru na oye de ben okan de ben ugly and weak and already they ben to us be
I say when raised,
it
will be beautiful
and
strong.
Onia, I say we beautiful. Nyankopon ni ko na ot no. I say eye fe, I say eye krabe. I say nipa ewuram a na ni ji. Oh, nti say obi wuram na ni ji a. Na I say e ha adwene. Oh, e ha adwene. Hwehwe ho kokra subo. Enum ena yede emunsem ebra. Onyanofo papa mami enua be ma ye wofa ne yenua ye srow se message na obi anya adwensa kira no bia nhwehwe honkroko de ben asubo ye de ntoso be yere ebebra asundie enkamo me ne me brother JY
ye do bibia se so nya da de tie
mama bye
All I seem to do is make